how to use someone's code on Temu. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel The Solution Guy. So in this video I'll simply guide you on how you can actually use someone's code on Temu, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So maybe that someone has sent you a referral code but you don't know how to apply the referral code whenever you're trying to create your own account. Well, if you want to do so, first of all what you have to do is just go to temu.com and then sign into your account, right? So you can see I'm already signed into my account. Now what you need to do is just click on the profile icon from the top right, or just hover your mouse icon over it, and when you hover it over here, this pop-up is going to open up, but you just need to look at the bottom until you look for the option called coupons and offers, as you can see. So just click on the coupons and offers button. Now basically when you go to coupons and offers, here you'll be able to see enter coupon code. So if there are any type of coupon code that someone has sent you, any gift card code or maybe even the referral code, then you can simply enter this code over here, click on the apply button. Depending upon the value of that code, it's going to be successfully applied to your Temu account. And that is it on how you can use someone's code that they've sent you on Temu. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.